Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are well and safe. Sitting at home and enjoying e-learning from Cambridge International School, Dasua, because this institution is only who, which you can say really cares about the future of its students. Myself Rita from Cambridge International School, Dasua, your political science teacher, and today I am going to teach you chapter Politics of Planned Development. The topics would be covering in this video: the early initiative, the first 5-year plan, then the second 5-year plan, rapid industrialization, key controversies, agriculture versus industry. Very interesting topics that we are covering today. Yes, politics of planned development. Now, before going further or recent topic, let me recall the previous one. When we got independence on 14-15 night, August 1947, was a big trauma in our mind, and it was really a painful partition, India and Pakistan. Many challenges before us, and we have to resolve, we have to sort out those challenges. Among them, first we have done challenges of nation building, and now third we are doing, because second we have missed. Maybe some of the topics would be covering in chapter 5, so we have left chapter 2. Now chapter 3, politics of planned development, क्योंकि डेवलपमेंट देश की सबसे ज़्यादा जरूरी थी. Now in front of India, this was a big problem, this was a big challenge, how we can develop India. So first 5-year plan, 5 5-year plans we will do. Firstly we will do first 5-year plan. What was 5-year plan? Borrowed from the concept from USSR, centralized and integrated national economic program. Jawaharlal Nehru presented the concept of the Indian Parliament, because he was the first Prime Minister when we got independence in 1947. So first 5-year plan we shall do, because the draft of the first 5-year plan and then the actual plan document released on December 1951. Fine. So generated a lot of excitement in the country. देश में पहली बार ये प्लान लॉन्च हो रहा था, तो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट थी कि ये क्या है डॉक्यूमेंट इसमें. तो people from all walks of life, academic, journalists, government, private sector employees, industrialists, farmers, politicians, etc., they discussed the debate and documents extensively. The excitement with the planning reached its peak with the launching of second 5-year plan 1956. हम तीनों प्लान करेंगे बेटा. Continued somewhat till the third 5-year plan in 1961. The fourth plan was due to start in 1966. By this time, the novelty of the planning had declined considerably, and moreover, India was facing acute economic crisis. उस time कुछ ऐसा crisis चल रहा था. The government decided to take a plan holiday. Plan holiday मतलब उस time वो नहीं बना. Though many criticism emerged both about the process and priority of this plan, these plans, the foundation of India's economic development, was firmly in place by then. So now we will do first 5-year plan. First 5-year plan 1951 to 1956 sought to get the country's economy out of the cycle of poverty. पहला प्लान ये था देश को गरीबी से निकालना, क्योंकि पॉवर्टी खत्म हो जाएगी, then country will be developed. K. N. Raj, you can see the photo on your screen, a young economist involved in drafting the plan, argued that India should hasten slowly for first 2 decades. पहले 20 साल तक तो इंडिया को धीरे ही चलना होगा, एज अ फास्ट स्टेट ऑफ डेवलपमेंट माइट एंडेंजर डेमोक्रेसी. क्योंकि जल्दी अगर कुछ करने के चक्कर में नई डेमोक्रेसी, बिकॉज इट वॉज अ यू कैन से न्यू बॉर्न इंडिपेंडेंस, तो उसमें कहीं डेमोक्रेसी को खतरा ना हो जाए. The first 5-year plan addressed mainly the agrarian sector. Your 1-mark answer, please underline. Agrarian sector including investment in dams and irrigation. Because the question you will write and you have to explain all the aspects. Agriculture sector was hit hardest by the partition and needed urgent attention. क्योंकि partition के time यही वो sector था जिसको सबसे ज़्यादा harm हुआ. Fine. So huge allocation were made for large scale projects like Bhakra Nangal Dam. The plan identified the pattern of land distribution in the country as the principal of obstacle in the way of agriculture growth. So on the basis of aims of planners was raised the level of national income. अब national income भी बढ़ानी थी. So now second 5-year plan. Second 5-year plan stressed on heavy industry. Now first 5-year plan we have done na, that plan has stressed on agriculture and dam, क्योंकि सबसे ज़्यादा तब की प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि सेविंग नहीं थी. So first 5-year plan was motive for saving. Fine. So you can add, when you will write first 5-year plan, you can add these two lines, because it was very too difficult, as total capital stock in the country was rather low compared to the total number of employable people. So people's saving did rise in the first phase of the planned process until the end of third year plan. So पहला plan उनके लिए था कि saving करनी. Now second 5-year plan stressed on heavy industries. It was drafted by a team of economics and planners under the leadership of Mr. P.C. Mahalovin. You can see the picture and you can add 2-3 lines whenever you will write here. You will write answer. So the second 5-year plan stressed on heavy industries. It was drafted by the big team. It was, if the first plan had teased patience, the second wanted to bring about quick structural transformation by making changes simultaneously in all the possible directions. अब पहला जो प्लान था, पहले प्लान में क्या किया था इकोनॉमिक्स ने और एक्सपर्ट्स ने कि स्पीड हम स्लो रखेंगे, ऐसा ना हो कि फर्दर डेवलपमेंट के लिए फास्ट स्पीड रखने से डेमोक्रेसी को डेंजर हो जाए. नाउ सेकेंड 5-year प्लान, पहला 5-year प्लान था सेविंग के लिए, सेविंग हो जाए और वो भाखड़ा नंगल डैम यू हैव टू मेंशन देयर. सेकेंड 5-year प्लान था, इकोनॉमिक्स ने बनाया था, ओनली टू हाउ वी कैन फॉर द इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन. फाइन. So the government imposed substantial tariff on import in order to protect domestic industries. उनको हमें बचाना था. Such protected environment helped both public and private sector industries to grow. As saving and investment were growing in this period, bulk of these industries like electricity, railways, steel, machineries, communication could be developed in the public sector. Indeed, such a push for industrialization marked a turning point in India's development. ये हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा फायदेमंद साबित हुआ. Now, as I told you, Mr. K.N. Raj was the chief architect for concentration on agriculture and main project construction of dams and irrigation facilities. Attempt to the development of habit of saving. ये जो पहला plan हमारा था. You will write first plan and then you will write second plan. Now, you can see the picture above. We can add the same in second 5-year plan. J.C. Kumarappa. Original name J.C. Comlis. You can get the same topic from page number 53. Now what happened? Gandhian economics like J.C. Kumarappa proposed an alternative blueprint that put greater emphasis on rural industrialization. Now this, you can say, it however had all its problems as well. India was technologically backward. वो हम पीछे थे. So it had to spend precious foreign exchange to buy technology from the global market. That apart, an industry attracted more investment than agriculture. The possibility of food shortage loomed large. The Indian planners found balancing industry and agriculture really difficult. काफ़ी मुश्किल था agriculture को और machinery को और industries को balance रखना. Third plan was not significantly different from the second one. Critics pointed out that the plan strategy from the time around which you can say displayed an unmistakable urban bias. ऐसा ना हो कि शहरीकरण के साथ कुछ इनका bias हो जाए, controversy हो जाए, partiality हो जाए. So second 5-year plan में we will discuss only that all industries was wrongly given priority over agriculture. There were also, you can say, those who wanted focus on agriculture related industries rather on the heavy ones, क्योंकि इसका major project था substantial tariffs on import and started major industries in public sector. Developed and borrowed technology. Technology के बिना तो industries काफ़ी मुश्किल थी. So you can see the picture above. Mr. P.C. Mahalovin. He was the main architect of second year plan, 1956 to 61. Now, further we are discussing how we can write the questions, what was the idea of 5-year plan, and from which country we borrowed it, describe the aims, first and second 5-year plan. This is the question that we will do. Fine, you will write this question in your notebooks with good presentation, with proper heading. So, in my next video, we will cover next topic. Till then, goodbye, because today we have covered only till page number 55. Don't forget to revise pictures and cartoons side by side. Though we are not having any cartoon based answer in these 2-3 pages which we have done today, to revise picture based questions, because those questions also will come in exam for 5 marks. So till then, goodbye and have a wonderful day ahead.